Okay, guys, just briefly, I'll try and remember what he did. I mean, he's going to send through the recording anyhow. But what he did after he reinstalled the driver for the graphics card, he went into here, NVIDIA control panel, which it didn't look like it was installed beforehand, which I'm sure it must have been. But maybe it wasn't, not since I've rebooted everything. Maybe I hadn't installed it. So he went into here, program settings. And then selected program to customize. So he added in this one. So he went into program files, D4D, Design Center, Scanner, Sapphire. So he added that in into there. So that was one of the things that he did. And then there was adjust image settings with preview. There was another section which I can't remember what part he did, but he changed the color. Like there was like a little color chart that he went to, but I can't remember. If he's going to send it through to us, he's obviously going to show us. But that was another thing that he did in the manage 3D settings. So